In today's video, I'll be sharing about how to get clients on LinkedIn. Stay tuned. First of all, thank you for watching. Let's go direct to the step-by-step on how to get clients on LinkedIn. First of all, what you need to do is you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So meaning optimize is make sure that your profile have the pictures of you, and then the cover, the banner, need to upload the banner, and then make sure that there's like summary about yourself, description, and then make sure that you update like your job history there. So if you have own business, just create like a profile, a page for your business, and then update your job history with your business. And that's the first thing. And then the second thing is connect with the right people. So if you want to target like coach, like business coach, because like some virtual assistant, they are specialized in assisting business coach, then go to search button, and then search for business coach, and then add business coach. And if you are serving real estate people, and then go to the search part, and then search real estate people and start adding them. Okay, just a tips here that not everyone that you add will approve you. Make sure like before you add, check like the person profile, either they are active on LinkedIn or not, because normally like people who are not active on LinkedIn might not approve your request. So it's kind of like just wasting your effort. One of the trick for you to connect with the active people is like by going to the post, like somebody's post, for example Tony Robbins post, and then you check like people who are engaged in Tony Robbins post, like people who are commenting, who likes, and so on, and then start adding people from there. Okay, that's the second steps. And then the third step is personalized message. So like before you send the connection request, make sure that you put the introduction message there, and the introduction message must personalize. So like for example, you can say that if the person like just publish a book, and then you greet them, and maybe like mention something about the book that they just published, and then tell them that you are interested to connect with great people like them. Or anything else, like maybe something related to their profession, to their achievement, or just anything that sounds personalized. Okay, and then the fourth tips is don't start promote right away after they approve you. So try to have like conversation, maybe like 2 or 3 messages before you start introducing your service. And what you can do is like maybe like talk with them like how's their business, and then the business like is there any like they are struggling with, things like that, and make sure that the conversation sounds natural. And then try to understand their situation, and if you think that they are like the suitable clients for you, then you start offering your service. Don't like people approve, don't offer the service right away, people might ban you. And because like my personal LinkedIn is looks like I am a marketing person, sometimes when people approve me, they like give me they like message me up front. They said to me that I don't promote anything to me. And then I said that no, I won't, unless if there's opportunity. And then some of them they unfriend. No, they unfriend. Can we say unfriend? They unfriend me right away. But the truth is, I haven't promoted anything. They are the one who's scared of me, because like they know I might sell something. So I learned from that. That's good. And then I make my description sounds less sales thing. And then now things are better. So like in general, what you can do is every day you add like maybe 20 to 30 peoples. I'm not sure, like if you are on free package, maybe like you can add up to 20 peoples only. And if you want to add more people, then you need to upgrade, like upgrade your LinkedIn account. So like in general, make sure like you add 20 people, and then from there you monitor how many percent from the 20 people approve your connection. And yep, and just try to monitor like from people that you connect with, how many of them like interested in discovery call and so on. Then you can like yeah, you can like study the patterns and so on. Like slowly you know yourself like what is the best way to get clients on LinkedIn. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.